Hey guys, it's Chris with Modus, the head of support and training, and in this video I want to show you guys how to manually select your segments from your trajectory. Now, the reason we're going to go ahead and do this is because we don't want to use the entire trajectory when processing our data and making our point cloud. We only want certain segments of it that are flying over the project area to make that point cloud. So, to do it manually, we're going to use this tool up here called Select on Trajectory in the segment table. And what it's going to do is going to change my icon to a plus marker, and we are literally going to manually click on the parts of the trajectory that we want. So starting up here at the top, you can click it, and as you can see, I'm dragging along, and then I'm going to end it right here. And as you can see over here on the left in our segment table, it made that segment right there and color-coded it, shows the start and stop time, and I can click it on and off to make it visible. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the rest of these here, make the rest of the segments that we want to use to make our point cloud. And as you can see, guys, I am only selecting these segments here in the middle. I am making sure to leave out the turns, the parts that are in between the turns, leaving out the flights to and from our start location, as well as our pre- and post-flight calibrations. We do not want any of that data when we are making our point cloud. We only need these flight lines. All right. So now you can see over here on the left in the segment table, every single one of those trajectories that I created is over here, and I can go ahead and toggle them all on and off again just to make sure that they are only covering the areas that I want them to. And there you have it. You have now manually selected all of your segments from the trajectory that you want to use in order to process your point cloud. So I hope this was helpful, you guys. Please go ahead, reach out to me, support@modus-ai.com if you have any questions or want me to make a different video for you. But until then, thank you so much and have a nice day.